Another useful tools are here. When you want to insert object, it tells you you can insert behind that, over that, or inside it. For example, we create a simple heart here, and then if you select it, we want to, it automatically, if you draw something else, for example, something like this, it automatically create above that object. If you select this object and before drawing or inserting things, insert behind selection. It's selected, any text, any object, any shape that you selected is automatically it's automatically draw behind. It's automatically going below this object that you selected. If you activate this, insert at the top of the layer. The top of it. It's very useful when you have a lots of other tools that are different shape. You can select it and make sure that it's any layer that you draw after, it's going above this layer that you selected. Draw, it's going automatically above that. Nice. But by default, you have this tool. Another interesting thing is if you want to insert object or place anything that you want inside, for example, insert inside selection. You can draw something, draw, and as you can see, it draw inside of object and automatically change. As you can see, we have a group that's the heart with a subgroup that rectangle is in it, and you can simply change it or draw any other tool. For example, here, make sure that you are not selected, change it and draw anything, and before that don't forget to change it again. Why is not? Because you didn't select anything. Select and then automatically turn on, and you can do it something like this. If you want to doing this manually, it's very easy. This is our group and all of these tools are turned off, and I want to clip actually these shapes or image or anything. For example, you can insert an image. Let's try. Select, insert inside. I explained it before. Place tool. This, click and drag, and automatically goes inside. Nice. For example, I don't want to use this tool. We have our rectangle here and want to clip this rectangle with that. It's very simple. Click and drag and release it over this heart and release your mouse. It's automatically come in a group of the heart. Any object after that, it's completely in a heart area and clipped by heart. If you want to release that, just simply click and drag and place it anywhere that you want in a layer. This is our heart layer. If you want to go about that, you can do that. You can do these tools manually here if you want. So you learn how to clip your object very easily. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.